Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Azhar Ahmad Ghanai, lecturer History Boys Higher Secondary School, Tral. Today our topic for 11th class students of our institution is, or the question is, what were the three main classes of society in the Roman Empire? Dear students, in this question, we have to discuss or we have to know about the important classes of the society into which the Roman Empire was divided. Dear student, let's answer this question. As you know, there are three important classes of society in the Roman Empire. Number one class was known as the upper class. And in the Roman Empire or the Roman society, this class was known with the name patricians. Patricians. In this class, there was the king, his relatives, the members of Senate. As you already know, members of Senate were the people who were lucky, who were wealthy and rich people, and formed an assembly known as Senate and used to advise the king in state matters. So in this class, there was the king, his relatives, the members of Senate, and other high class officials who were directly or indirectly related to the king. And the people of this class used to live in magnificent palaces. They had huge houses, huge properties, they had huge courtyards. They used to live a luxurious life, and they were served by a large number of slaves and servants. This class of people enjoyed several privileges and facilities, and this class played an important role in deciding various matters of the Roman Empire. So naturally we can say this class was the topmost class, and this class enjoyed all and every kind of facility in the Roman Empire. Number two, the middle class. In the Roman Empire, the middle class was known with the name plebeians. And in this class, there were the members of bureaucracy. Bureaucracy means the high class official who used to run the administration. Then there was army, traders, agriculturists, peasants who had their own lands, and this whole class was known with the name plebeians. And the people of this class also lived a very happy life, a contented life. They had also big houses and administrative offices, and this class of people also had a number of slaves to serve them. However, the lifestyle of plebeians was not as better as that of patricians. Number three, the lower class. The students, the lower class in the Roman society was known with the name humiliers, and in this class there were laborers, servants, slaves, and all other inferior kind of people. And this class formed the maximum population of the Roman society. And as the name suggests, at the humiliers, they were the most humiliated class in the Roman society. They had no rights. They lived a life inferior to animals. They were exploited by patricians and plebeians in every possible way, and the patricians and plebeians considered humiliers as their property, and they had to work 16 to 18 hours a day without break. And the women in this class were also exploited in all possible ways. So I mean to say, this class of people lived a worst life, lived a life of exploitation, and lived a life which was full of cruelty and barbarism done by patricians and plebeians. Thank you.